Ambani is gearing up to destroy Blinkit and Zepto just like he did with Airtel and Vodafone. Welcome to day 21 of 100 days of sector snippets. Okay, so Reliance just dropped something crazy in their last earnings call, and not a lot of people are talking about it. They said JioMart is now doing 1.6 million quick commerce orders a day. They're already profitable and they're sitting at number 2, right behind Blinkit. And I know what you might be thinking. JioMart? Seriously, I mean, nobody talks about JioMart when it comes to quick commerce. It's always Blinkit, Zepto, or Instamart. And the reaction is only fair. JioMart entered this space only in 2024, while the other players have been in it for years. So, how did they do it? Two things. First, Reliance is India's largest grocer. They buy in such massive volumes that they can source cheaper products than anybody else, offer you heavy discounts, and still make money on every order. Neither Zepto nor Instamart can do that. Second, and this is the clever one, out of their 3,000 stores doing quick commerce, only 800 are dark stores. The remaining 2,200 are normal Reliance supermarkets. And you know why this is important? The rent for those 2,200 stores is being paid by the walk-in customers. JioMart's quick commerce business does not have to bear that cost. That's why they're profitable at just 530 orders per store when everybody else needs about 1,800 to 2,200 just to break even. Now, is this model perfect? No. Imagine going to a Reliance Fresh and there are pickers running around grabbing stuff for online orders. It is chaotic. Managing that at scale is genuinely hard. But we still can't ignore that it is a late entrant, is already profitable, and is sitting at number 2. And the market they're playing in, quick commerce, a $6 billion space today that is expected to reach $40 freaking billion by 2030. Reports say 46% of people are already ordering less from their local kiranas because of these apps. This means it's not a trend, it is a structural shift. Now, if you want to ride this wave as an investor, here is the problem. JioMart is not listed, Zepto is still private, and Blinkit, honestly, it's expensive. So what do? You stop chasing the app names and start chasing the ecosystem. The EV two-wheeler companies whose bikes are doing all the deliveries. The warehousing players who are renting out dark store spaces faster than ever. The cold chain and logistics companies that are moving all that milk, ice cream and atta behind the scenes. Same growth story, way less hype and much better valuations. Comment JioMart and I will send you the specific companies worth researching in these spaces. And don't forget to follow Markets with Aditi.